I'm just outside Saskatoon Provincial Court here. We have just learned the sentence of a woman who pleaded guilty to causing the death of what court heard was one of her best friends. Brittney Gargol was 18 years old when her body was found just south of Saskatoon near Cedar Villa Estates back in March of 2015. And today, Cheyenne Rose Antoine pleaded guilty to manslaughter in connection to Gargol's death. And the sentence that she received was a joint submission sentence agreed upon by the Crown and Defence. The judge accepting it, meaning that Antoine will serve a 7-year sentence for manslaughter. Now, she was originally charged with second-degree murder, but pleaded guilty to the lesser included offence of manslaughter. And today we learned the facts surrounding this case that was quite mysterious for about 2 years before Antoine was charged in March of 2017. What we heard was that this was a night of drinking and drugs with two friends, and something happened to make Cheyenne Antoine snap. What she remembers is that they left a house party that night. They were heavily intoxicated, and Antoine says her last memory is of Gargol taking her phone. Later that night, there were witnesses who said that they heard from the woman herself say that she had gotten into an argument with her friend and strangled her. Now, the cause of death was strangulation, and Gargol's body was found in the middle of the road early on a morning after this had happened. Afterwards, the police investigation required a lot of work, and we heard about that from the Crown, about how many pieces were needed to be put together to make an arrest in this case, because Cheyenne Antoine actually tried to mislead police in their investigation by saying that she was there that night, but that she had nothing to do with it, that she had left before anything had happened, and kind of tried to almost make it seem like she was looking for her friend as well through Facebook postings. A belt was located beside Brittney Gargol's body, and police were able to determine that the belt belonged to Ms. Antoine because they saw it in a Facebook photo that had been posted just hours before Gargol's body was found. So quite a complicated investigation, we learned. But as far as a motive, we just spoke to the defense lawyer who said that this is a case where we will never truly know what caused this woman to kill one of her closest friends, as she just does not remember it happening. However, she does take responsibility for her being the one responsible for this woman's death. At Saskatoon Provincial Court, I'm Bre McAdam with the Saskatoon StarPhoenix.